Pave Assist gives the operator real-time information during the paving process. Pave Assist is available on the majority of new Volvo C and D series pavers. From the start, the main driver in the development of Pave Assist was simplicity and ease of use for the operator. Pave Assist is available as two options. Option 1 is Pave Assist Basic, which includes Material Manager and Weather Forecast. Option 2 is Pave Assist Thermal Mapping, which includes Pave Assist Basic and a thermal mapping system. Pave Assist is intuitive and easy to use. It requires minimal training to set up a job and to learn how to navigate and use the different functions. Now let's look at the main screen menu functions. By pressing here, it is possible to access the menu for changing or creating a new project. Here you add information about your project. All the lifts created will be stored under the active project name, just like a folder structure on your computer. Your created projects will also appear here. Pressing here opens up the menu for changing or creating a new lift. Here you can select a name for your lift or use a name from the drop-down list. You can also enter a name for a lift by entering your own text. Now select the mix type from the drop-down list. You can also enter a name for a mix by entering your own text. The penetration of the binder should be selected from the drop-down list. You can also enter a binder that is not listed in your own text. The maximum nominal aggregate size should also be selected. Enter the target spread rate. This will be shown in the material calculation view later. By pressing here, you are able to access the menu for adding a new truck to your list of trucks. Here is a list of all the trucks you have configured to your Pave Assist. To add a new truck to your Pave Assist, click here and fill in the information in the pop-up and save menu. If you want to add or remove an active truck that is already on the truck list, click on the checkbox. Click here to add a new load of asphalt to the paver. The trucks that were added to the list and that are active in the project will appear here. Select the truck that is about to deliver to the paver. Enter the delivered amount of asphalt and the receipt number from the truck. This information is now saved onto the project and lift you are currently running. If you need to make changes in an existing project, then press here on the main menu, and then press the pen in the box symbol and make the necessary changes. If you need to make changes in an existing lift, then press here on the main menu and then press the pen in the box and make any necessary changes. If it is necessary to completely remove a truck from the truck list, then press here and then press the pen in the box and the rubbish bin symbol. Pressing here opens up the daily report menu. Here you will see the current active report and a list of reports connected to the project you have activated. All these reports can be uploaded when required, even if the current shift is not finished. Here we can see the main menu for setting the basic machine, project and asphalt parameters. Under Project, the data files for the current projects can be downloaded to a USB or uploaded to the customer's cloud. Under the menu Machine, the screed and thermal cameras can be set up. The VB78 5-meter screed is used as a default screed. Other screed options are also available here. All the available extensions for the selected screed can also be selected here from a drop-down list. Under the Setup menu, you can select metric or imperial units and turn the weather forecast on or off. The temperature parameters for the thermal mapping can also be selected if the default temperatures are not suitable. In the upper drop-down menu, there is a basic settings manager for the Co-Pilot. Error messages will also be stored here. Here, it is also possible to change between day and night mode. Here we have the view selector for selecting the function or functions the operator wants to have visible in the main screen. The view selector is a quick way to change layout and to decide what information the operator wants to have on the main screen. There are 5 views that the operator can choose from. View 1, Paving Info, gives real-time information regarding all aspects of the material being paved. This information is not saved. View 2, Material Manager, shows how much material has been placed. It shows the target spread rate value, the average spread rate for the last 2 trucks, and the average spread rate for the whole shift. Thermal Mapping shows the thermal profile of the material paved, the paver speed, and all the information saved for each truck. It is also possible to touch the screen and obtain the temperature information at any single point. Weather Forecast shows the timeline for incoming weather. Here, the wind direction and ambient temperature at the paver are also shown. Smart View. If Smart View is installed, it is possible to use the Co-Pilot as a slave screen. The different views can be selected so that it is possible to have one view in full screen. It is also possible to have 2 views selected at the same time, with different views on the right and left side of the screen. The 2 views can also be placed in reverse order, so they are placed left and right. This video helps you to understand how Pave Assist works. But if you need more information, you will find this in the operator's manual.